The world is always fascinated by the power of precision. From high-tech drones to battlefield innovations, nothing captures the imagination of military enthusiasts like a weapon that combines speed, accuracy, and sheer destructive capability. And today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic missiles ever developed, the Agm-114 Hellfire. Welcome to your channel name, where we explore military technology like never before. The Agm-114 Hellfire is not just a missile, it's a statement of precision warfare. Developed initially in the late 1970s and early 1980s, it was designed to give helicopters a weapon that could hit targets from a safe distance with unparalleled accuracy. But over the decades, it has evolved into a multi-platform, multi-role missile, capable of being launched not only from helicopters but from drones, fixed-wing aircraft, and even ground-based vehicles. Its versatility makes it one of the most feared weapons in modern military arsenals. When you look at the Hellfire, you're not just looking at a piece of metal and electronics. You're looking at decades of research, trials, and evolution. Its design is deceptively simple: a sleek, aerodynamic missile with fins for stability, and a warhead designed to deliver maximum impact. But beneath the surface, it's packed with cutting-edge guidance technology. Laser guidance, radar targeting, and newer variants even include millimeter wave radar and fire-and-forget systems. This ensures that once it's launched, it homes in on its target with deadly precision. Consider its role in modern warfare. From anti-tank operations to precision strikes against fortified positions, the Hellfire has repeatedly proven its effectiveness. Its ability to minimize collateral damage while neutralizing threats is why it remains a top choice for militaries around the world. Countries including the United States, the United Kingdom, and even allied forces in the Middle East rely on this missile for surgical strikes in complex operational environments. But what makes the Agm-114 truly legendary is its adaptability. The original Hellfire, designed for the AH-64 Apache attack helicopter, has seen multiple upgrades over the years. There's the Agm-114K, equipped with a shaped charge warhead to penetrate armored vehicles. The Agm-114L longbow variant introduces millimeter wave radar, allowing pilots to engage targets even in complete darkness or through smoke and battlefield obscurance. And then there are precision strike variants designed for drones, giving unmanned systems the ability to engage targets with surgical accuracy. The physics behind the missile is equally fascinating. Traveling at supersonic speeds, the Hellfire can cover distances of up to 8 kilometers in a matter of seconds. Its guidance system ensures minimal deviation from the target, and its warhead is engineered to create maximum damage to armored vehicles while reducing unintended damage to nearby structures. For soldiers on the battlefield, this combination of speed, accuracy, and controlled lethality is a game changer. Over the years, the Hellfire has also become a symbol of modern drone warfare. Platforms like the MQ-1 Predator and MQ-9 Reaper carry these missiles, allowing operators thousands of miles away to engage high-value targets with surgical precision. This has fundamentally changed the concept of engagement, introducing a new era where strategic strikes can happen without putting soldiers directly in harm's way. But the Agm-114 is not just about power, it's about technology evolution. The missile has continuously evolved to meet emerging threats. Modern battlefield conditions demand flexibility, and the Hellfire's modular design allows for upgrades without redesigning the entire system. Guidance systems, warhead types, and launch platforms can all be adapted, ensuring it remains relevant even in the rapidly changing landscape of modern warfare. When you hear about the Hellfire, it's impossible not to think about its impact globally. Conflicts across the Middle East, counter-terrorism operations in remote regions, and even naval applications have relied on the Hellfire's precision. Its reputation for accuracy and reliability has made it a standard against which other guided missiles are measured, and the technological sophistication is staggering. Modern Hellfire missiles integrate real-time targeting, allowing operators to make split-second decisions. This is not just a weapon, it's part of a sophisticated battlefield network, providing actionable intelligence and engaging threats with unmatched efficiency. The human factor is also crucial. Pilots and drone operators undergo extensive training to ensure they can maximize the Hellfire's potential. Understanding trajectory, target acquisition, and environmental variables can make the difference between mission success and failure. This level of integration between human skill and cutting-edge technology is what makes the Hellfire truly formidable. From historical conflicts to the present day, the Hellfire's track record speaks volumes. It has been deployed in countless operations where precision was non-negotiable. Tanks, fortified structures, insurgent positions, almost nothing stands in the way of a Hellfire once it's locked onto its target. And yet, despite its destructive power, it's designed to minimize unintended damage, a testament to the engineering thought that went into its development. Beyond its battlefield role, the Hellfire represents the evolution of military strategy. It embodies the shift from brute force to precision engagement. Modern militaries no longer rely solely on overwhelming firepower. They seek precision, intelligence integration, and adaptability. The Hellfire delivers all three, making it not just a missile, but a symbol of modern warfare doctrine. The sound of a Hellfire launch is unforgettable. From the roar of its motor to the precision-guided streak cutting through the sky, it's a marvel of engineering in motion. Yet, it's not just a spectacle. Every launch is calculated, every trajectory analyzed, and every target carefully selected. This combination of science, engineering, and strategy is why it has stood the test of time. And speaking of evolution, the future of the Hellfire is equally exciting. New guidance systems, improved propulsion, and enhanced warhead types are in continuous development. Militaries worldwide are exploring networked missile systems where the Hellfire communicates with other assets in real time, creating a synchronized battlefield effect that was unimaginable just decades ago. The global impact cannot be overstated. The Hellfire has influenced military procurement decisions, drone development programs, and tactical doctrines across continents. It has set a standard, not just for missile design, but for what precision warfare can achieve in the 21st century. Its effectiveness has also sparked debates. Ethical considerations of drone strikes and precision missile use are topics of discussion among military strategists, policymakers, and the public. The Hellfire sits at the center of this conversation, a technological marvel that raises important questions about modern combat and accountability.